Hi. Licking your finger, huh? Oh, oh. Very energetic. Hi! Hi, Logan, Tiangen. Oh, you, look at that. Look at that.
Yep, he's got his energy back. Oh, yeah.
Oh, boy. Kicking.
Yeah.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Are you trying to get Mama's face? Good thing I cut your nails. And a bright butterfly. Ooh, Bambi also sees a skunk named Flower. Don't ever get near a skunk. They could spray you and then you would smell. No more smiles? Where are they? Bambi, Thumper, and Flower will be friends forever. Are you going to be Grandpa's friend forever?
Sure, forever.
Yay!
My buddy.
Give the book a clap. Yay!
Oh.